Welcome to this brief tutorial about using the database Films on Demand. This tutorial aims to give faculty and staff some tips and tricks when searching and finding videos for their classes. My name is Julie Laramie, and I'll be your presenter today. When using any of Webster's databases, you have to first log in with your last name and Webster's 7-digit ID number. If you don't remember your ID, you can find your number using your Connections account. When searching for videos on Films on Demand, I first suggest making an account profile. The perks to creating an account profile are that it gives you the ability to add videos to your playlist, specify your interests, and provide you with the option to receive or not receive monthly email notifications about new titles available based on your identified interests. To create an account, select the icon in the upper right-hand corner that says Your Profile on Films on Demand's homepage. From there, you'll be instructed to enter in your name, username, email, password, and affiliation to Webster University. Here is also where you can choose to tailor your profile to include your interests. After creating an account, you can begin searching. Films on Demand allows you to search for videos using multiple search strategies. While you can type in a quick search using the search bar located top and center of the page, there are other options available to you. If you click on the three-lined drop-down icon located in the top left-hand corner of the page, Films on Demand has organized their videos into different categories. The first one listed, Subjects, can be used to search within a specific topic or department of study. The second category, Popular Categories, appears on Films on Demand's homepage. This category offers some topic or video suggestions that other people are frequently viewing, such as Popular Featured This Month, Lectures and Interviews, Biographies, Great Documentaries, etc. The third category, Featured Producers, can be used to search videos from specific producers. You can use this option, for example, when you want to show an HBO video or a TED Talk. Another category is Calendar. By selecting the calendar icon, this category highlights videos connected to worldly significant events, famous birthdays, or special days like March 14th is known as Pi Day. Finally, the last search option is Advanced Search, which will allow you to find videos using filter options to modify the results. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to search using the category Subjects and how to apply filter options within Subjects. So by clicking that View All link located at the bottom of the Subject section, I am taken to an alphabetical list of all the subjects available on Films on Demand. Films on Demand has organized and identified specific topics within each subject area. For an example, I'm going to select Business and Economics as my subject. When I scroll down to Business and Economics, they've broken the subject to include 7 topics. The number in parentheses shows how many videos are available. As you can see, the subject Business and Economics has 3,007 videos. If I know the topic I want to discuss within Business and Economics, for example, management, I can click on the topic link. While my search has narrowed, I still have 1,150 video results that include business and economic videos about management. A quick note, the videos are automatically organized from newest to oldest. However, you can choose to organize the videos A to Z or most viewed by selecting the drop-down bar that says newest to oldest. To narrow my search even more, I can do so by selecting filter options. I can filter my results by including format types such as series, segments, or full titles. Films on Demand automatically selects the filter option full titles unless you specify if you want a different format type like series or segments. I also chose to filter videos made within the last 10 years to only show me more relevant options. Another filter I applied was types of video. As you can see, the list includes documentary films, educational video, lecture or interview, or newsreel or primary source. For this example, I selected lecture or interview to filter my management video search. After you applied the filters, you click the red Apply button. As you can see, I now have 40 videos that fit my tailored search. The last tip I will show you today is how to add a video to your playlist. Once I found a video that I like, click the Add To link next to the plus sign icon located under the video's description. Next, click the Playlist tab. You can either select a previous playlist that you wish to add the video to and click Add to Playlist, or if you wish to create a new playlist, you will type in the new playlist title name in the box next to New Playlist and click on New Playlist once the new title is entered. To view your playlists, you will click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. Select My Content. This will take you to your playlist folders where you can manage, organize, and view your videos. If you click on the title of the playlist you want to view under the title section, then you can view your videos. The order of your videos can be organized under the section that says Sequence, located on the right side of the screen. You drag with your mouse to reorder the video or double-click on the video that you wish to view. To share a video, click on the Share link located under the video title's name. After clicking Share, you'll be instructed to type in the name of the person you wish to send the video to, along with their email address. Also, you have the option to include a message if you wish to do so. Make sure to click the red Send Email button when finished filling out the required information. If you wish to share the link with an entire class through World Classroom, you can do so by selecting Embedded Link, which is located in the right of the share link. You are given two options to embed link: record URL or embed code. The record URL will give you a link which will allow students to access the video after they have logged into the database using their last name and 7-digit ID number, or you can directly upload the video to World Classroom using the embed code. So that's what I have for you for this tutorial on using the database Films on Demand. Thank you for joining me, and remember, you can always reach out for help. Happy researching!